So yes, a lot of tasks will be taken over by AI. Thanks God. The sooner the better, please. Because this is usually the things that we don't like doing.
Sure.
And I think there are a lot of people who are currently left out of the market because of the limitations that I've mentioned. A lot of people are not used to the full extent of their potential because of certain limitations that are imposed on them. Not everyone was lucky enough to be born in a country with higher education
Sure.
and have access to this. Not everybody is in a good health. And I think with artificial intelligence, we'll be able to tap on a much wider scope of resources because they will be supported by AI to achieve more than what they were originally meant to.